100 cases, some misdemeanor and some criminal getting dismissed today. And tonight, the DA is offering an explanation as to why. Thanks for joining us. I'm Natasha Paloma.
And I'm Andy Morgan. And Tasia, the interesting thing here is the Public Defender's Office says that they are scheduled for even more dismissal hearings later this week. KTSM 9 News reporter Carla Draxler is live at the courthouse. And Carla, what were the cases dismissed, and most importantly, why are these being dropped?
Well, I got to talk to the Chief Public Defender, Kelly Childress Diaz, who explains that those are not actual cases that are being dismissed, but accusations to which there were no charges pressed or no indictments made within the 180 days since the person's arrest. And the way she explains is that when a person is arrested, they put in custody, and for most cases, a judge sets a bond for them while waiting for the district attorney's indictment. Now, under Texas statute 32.01, the district attorney's office has 180 days after the person's arrest to make that indictment decision. Otherwise, the bond conditions are taken off. Childress Diaz tells me some of these people have not been charged after 300 to 400 days after their arrest. In one case, even almost 1,000 days. Now, the district attorney Yvonne Rosales' office sent out a statement explaining, quote, the actions taken by the public defender's office in conjunction with the jail magistrate Humberto Acosta are unprecedented but not unique, as the same actions are being taken by defense attorneys across the state of Texas as district attorney offices both throughout the state and across the nation face personnel shortages and COVID backlog issues. Now, the DA's office also stated that the cases that are being dismissed under the statute are mostly the cases that were not presented to the DA's office through the DIMS process. Now, this is a software used for court cases management for drug-related cases. And during the time that the DIMS agreement was being negotiated last year in July, this software was utilized again in January of this year, and according to the DA's office, the renewal of DIMS caused a spike in cases. Now, the DA's office also explained, despite the dismissal of these accusations, they can still press charges in these cases that is under the statute of limitations that for most cases is between 2 to 10 years. Back to you.
Carla, nearly 100 today, and it would appear that more to come this week. What was the nature of most of these cases that were dropped?
Yes, Andy, more precisely, those were 98 cases that were dismissed today. And most of them, the Chief Public Defender tells me it's been misdemeanors. However, there are some more serious ones like injury to child or felony possession of drugs, as well as burglaries to vehicles and residencies. But there are more cases pending to be dismissed because the Public Defender tells me her office has filed 435 cases in total. That is including the almost 100 ones that were dismissed today. So these hearings are expected to proceed actually for the rest of the week. Back to you.